drive it down. So one would go up, the other would go down. It's unlikely it works the other way, but it's not impossible. All right. So that's one thing everyone needs to pick up on. All right. The next table, if you've not come across this before, all right, a lot of simple linear regression can be best described as fitting a line. Okay, fitting a line. If you've got a random distribution of data, what you're trying to do is saying, what is the relationship there? And sometimes the way that they're written down is a little bit different. Okay, so if you can just see where I put in simple linear relationship. Okay, there are three components. If you believe that X affects Y, and you're looking at a scatter diagram, okay, I put it B subscript 0. Sometimes you'll have it written as A or alpha. Okay. And that is known as the intercept term. Okay. B1 is the slope coefficient. What is the angle of the line in terms of X? And E is the error term. Okay. Now, very rarely will you see people set that out, but this is what I just want you to think about, what the components are of regression analysis, simple linear relationships in this regard. Y is a function of X. The value of Y and the value of X may not be the same at 0. So the intercept term, it's not really very clear from this graph, from the where it's been, is that there might be a situation, okay, where Y has a value even if X is 0. Well, there's some more concrete examples we'll go through in a little while. Okay, if you believe that Y is dependent on X, then ultimately what you are saying is, what is the coefficient for B that gives you the line of best fit? Okay, that's the way we tend to talk about it, the line of best fit. Right. And the reason I put the E at the end, it is very rare that you will have a line of best fit that will explain all the variation. So if I go back to the previous graph, just to give you that, an A and B, yes, there looks like an obvious relationship, but a straight line will not go through every point. In fact, if you're looking at a trend line, line of best fit, they might not go through any of the individual points, because what you do is calculate the minimum degree of error between the actual points and the estimated points. Thankfully, you'll rely on a computer to do that in future, but it's just to let you know, and I think your maths background will allow you to do that.